All right, this is the foldable for Ravenclaw that goes on page 58. So you should have two pieces of paper. You should have one that says slope and has a mountain on it. And then you should have another one that says place glue everywhere except the rectangles. Okay, so the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the page that says slope. You're welcome to color it if you would like to, completely up to you. You do not have to. Okay, so you're going to take this piece of paper and you're going to cut around the outside. Okay, so you're going to cut around the outside. Okay, and continue cutting around the outside. You're going to do it for this one, and you're also going to do it for this one. You're going to cut around the lighter black line, not the bold line, but the light black line. All right, so now that you've cut everything out, I have two of these, right? You're going to take the one that says place glue everywhere except the rectangles. Okay, you're going to glue that to page 58. So glue that to page 58. All right. Okay. So that is now glued on page 58. Okay. So now you're going to take the one that says slope. You see all these rectangles? You're going to cut along the dotted and dashed lines for every single one of those, okay? You're not going to cut here. You're just going to cut here. So basically you're creating little flaps, okay? So all you're doing is creating little flaps. So like there's the first one. You can see that I didn't cut along this edge, but I'll have a little flap that folds up and out, right? Okay, so you want to do that for every single one of your rectangles. You have 9 of them to do. All right, so now that you've cut all of them, you can see I have all these little tabs, okay? Set that aside for a second. You're going to take where it says place glue everywhere except the rectangles and go ahead and glue everywhere except the rectangles. Okay. You really want to try to get in between all those rectangles. Okay. Try to make sure everything's glued down as much as possible. Okay. You're going to take it, place one right on top of the other one. Okay. If you need to, you may have to lift some of the other places up just to make sure that you got everything. Okay. But in the end, you'll have several little flaps that you can bend backwards. Okay. And the only thing that should be revealed then is what's underneath the flap. And that is the foldable for slope that goes on page 58.